everyone, let us learn today how to open and close the text files in different way. There are different methods to open the file and how to write on the file. That is we will learn. Clear? So let us see opening a text file. So this we have already discussed how to open a file. You have to write the file object and then you have to use the open function, that is an inbuilt function. And of course you have to write the file name and then the mode. For example, if you want to open, I can write f is equal to open and f is the file handle. This is your wish, what you want to give the file handle, f1, any name you can write over here. So f is equal to open, I'm making it as f, and let the file will be abc and write down the file name and of course the extension of the file abc.txt I have written, and then of course the mode of the file. So mode can be what? Your read mode, right? And mode can be your W mode. Mode can be your R plus, that is read and write together, or it can be A, or it can be A plus also, right? So, and of course, when what here in this example, you can see this, if I'm giving abc.txt, it means what? I'm giving relative path, isn't it? I'm giving relative path. If I want to give absolute path, you have to give the whole, you can say location of the path or path name of the file. Clear? So this is how we can open and close the simple. You close it with the help of file handle f.close. So for closing, you have to use file handle. Now, next way to open a file is, see, in that case, we need to close also, right? But if we are opening the file with keyword, so here the difference is what? If there is no need to close the file. There is no need to close the file. So we are opening the file with keyword with open and file name जैसे आप देते थे, then the mode, and here you have to write as and file object, as and file object, and whatever the operation you want to perform, write it over here, and no need to close. So this is what the advantage of with and previous way you have to close the file, but here in this case there is no need to close the file. Of course the modes are different, whatever we have studied, that is your W plus, R plus, and of course A plus. So any of the mode as per your requirement you can use over here. I forgot to put bracket over here. So of course this is how to open your file with. So there are different functions which we will be going to use in our file handling. So first function, you are aware about that. The first function is what? Open function. So open function is to open or create file in desired mode. If you want to open or you want to create your file, create means the file is not there. Open means file is already there. So this is what the function, open function. Then close function, you know, the reference which you have created with your disk file with the help of file object, that need to be closed so that your file could be used for other applications. So we need to close it. So close function is used. Then the new function, that is read. As the name says, it will help you to read. So read function is what? How can you use that? You have to give the file handle and with dot operator you can write read. So this is how we can read our file. Clear? Okay. Now let us see to read all or specified number of characters from file. So read function is used to read, you can say, all the content of the file or specified character of the file. Specified ka matlab hai, if you are giving here 5, it means it will read 5 characters. If you are not writing anything, it means it will read whole content of the file. The next function is your read line. Read line function is what? It is used to read a single line, right? It is used to read a single line from your file. But if you are writing here n, then it will be reading that number of characters only. It will be treated same, you can say it will be working same as the read function. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो 10 लाइनें लिखोगे, 10 line if you will write, so it will read 10 line. No, it will read only that number of characters, means it will start behaving as a read function. Clear? Now next is read lines. Read lines are what? To read all lines from the file, we will use your read line function. Read lines. Read line is for single line. Read lines is for all the lines of the file. Clear? Or second important thing is what? It will return you line in the form of list. First line हो गई आपकी, फिर आपका next line, then next line and so on. So it will return you lines in the form of list. Next function is write. So write function, as the name says, it will help you in writing. So to write data, especially of which type? String type, onto the file and return the numeric value, number of characters written. So this will write the data, string type data on your file. To write sequence of sequences मतलब आपका list हो गई, tuple हो गया, इनको अगर आपको लिखना है तो we will take the help of write lines. So write lines, clear? Read line, read lines and read. So these all are the functions which we are going to use in text file. So let us study how to write in a text file. So these two functions we will use in writing the content on the text file. So write is what? It is used to write string in a text file. It takes string as a parameter to write in the file, or /n is used to specify the end of string. Once you put /n, it means it is the end of the string. And what about write lines? It is used to write a list, tuple, sets. Those sets are not in our syllabus, but it is used to write these sequences of text in the file, with the condition that all items inside a sequence must be of string type. और इसके साथ ये condition रहेगी कि जितने भी items आपने sequence में लिखे, that must be of string type. So let us write some program using write line function, and let us see the effect. So first my program is write a program in Python to create a text file to write hello, how are you? So how could I write? So first of all, let me share my ideally and we'll do practically. So let us now open a script mode, Python in script mode, and let us write a program. So my program is to write a program to create a file, text file, and write hello. How are you? So first is what we learned. First step is what we have to open the file. So let me make a file handle. F is equal to open. And let me give the file name. Let me give abc.txt, text file I am making. And because I want to write, so I have to give here W. And then this is how we have opened the file. Clear? Now, next thing is what you want to write on the file. So let me write a text first here. So I've written hello, whatever the thing you want to write, hello, how are you? So this is the content I want to write. And just what I have to do, I have to use the write function with the help of file handle. So f.write and write what you want to write, text. So write it. So this is how we have to write the content on the file. Or you can simply replace this text with this. Don't you want to skip this step, you can skip. So this is I have written, or let us check whether this content will be saved or not. So let me save my file and run it. So I'm saving with it. F1. See, my program has run but has executed. Now let us check whether this file has made or not. See, I have not given any path over there. I've given the relative path, means it will be saved in the same directory where my py file is stored. So let me check whether it is there or not. So this is abc.txt. Let me open and abc.txt text files. So let me click here, text files. This is ABC. So let me open. So see, there is abc.txt, but it is empty. Nothing is written over there. So this is, we have written what, hello, how are you, but it is not written. So this is because you have not closed your file. So don't forget to close your file. So better we close it. Let me close this file, and I have to use the close function here, f.close. Now run your file. File is executed. Now let me open, select text files and go to ABC and check. Yes, now this is written. So you can see the text is written on your text file, that is cabc.txt, and the text is written. So this is how we can write the text file. And as have you seen, we have not closed, then no content was written. So better you use this. Okay, let me explain you with the next way how could we open the file. So we have learned with the with function also. So let me use with open, and this is what the file is I'm opening, and let me write the file handle here. And now put the colon, and whatever you have to write, just write it over here. Let me change the content so that it can clear you if we are writing some other content. Let me close this abc.txt. Let us run. Let us learn file handling. Now this is text we have written, and you have to write with the help of file handle f dot, and this is the function, and write the content. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है आपको ऐसे ही लिखना. You can write your content here also. So let me run and check whether it is written or not. So I have not closed my file. Okay, and let me check. File open, text files and ABC. You can see the content has written. Let us learn file handling. So this is the advantage of using opening file with, right? There is no need to close. But in case of simple option which you have learned, f is equal to open. So in that case, there is must requirement to close your file. Otherwise, your content will not be written on that. So this is the write operation. Now let us see another one. Write a program in Python to create a text file to write hello, how are you? So I have explained with the with function, which we have done right now. So these are some programs for you. Please try it and check it whether you will be able to do or not. Please let me know if any doubt. Bye for now.